Alright boys, welcome back to the channel. We're back. That snowstorm plus my broken back almost took me out the game. But we're back and we're heading up to our spot. And I'm gonna try and get in some practice. So enjoy the video. If you like the video, hit your boy a view, and let's get to work.
Welcome to New York.
Alright, it's not looking good, bruv. This is if there's a lot of snow on either side, then we're cooked. Might have to go somewhere like around where they plowed a lot of it away. Yeah, look, check this out. Let me just roll down the window. Yep. Like the snow being too thick, there's like no point. Let's not play around here. Yeah, we're not getting out, and I'm not trying to get stuck. Alright? Not trying to get stuck out here. It's too thick. Like, listen. Woo! Woo! Let's go for it. I might have to pull over and wait for this person to pass. Yeah, there's a lot of snow out here. Let me just reverse a bit. Wait for this person to pass. I don't think I have enough space for him to pass. We're still gonna make it happen, boys. We're still gonna make it happen. Check that out. Ooh. Boy. That would be fun. That would be fun. We didn't get stuck. That would be fun. But I'm gonna find a place with like less snow, so we can play around like right this spot right here, right? Around in this spot right here. There's the snow. Like a prep. Oh, let's do that again. Let's do that again. something happening, G. A little bit too much gas. Make sure nobody's coming on the opposite side. But I like the snow. We can practice in the snow. Somebody's coming back. I'm gonna wait for this guy to pass, and then we'll keep running around this little snow area right here. I like it. Oh, I was stuck or something. I'm not stuck. I'm not stuck. I'm just playing around. If I can bust this Yui, that would be oh, come on. Oh, there we go. We're stuck. There we go. Oh, we are stuck, boy. I'm gonna have to get out and dig. We'll see how bad this is. Because I might have to dig. And I think I might have to use this to dig this out. Oh yeah, that is deep. All right, we're gonna have to push this out. I'll be right back. I did not expect to get stuck out here in the snow. I've got to let my hands warm back up and then get back out here digging. I've been using my, you can see all the snow coming off of it. I've been using my monopod to dig me out, but let's get back to work. Let's dig ourselves out, and then I might have to wrap it up. I'm not trying to get stuck out here again. There was a guy that stopped and he tried to help me, but I didn't have any like tow, any strong, which reminds me, I already had the tow hook, but just get the cord. I'm almost out though. Let's get out and then wrap it up. All right, come on, baby, let's go. Let's go, we gotta get out. Just a little bit of a reverse. I know. Turn it off, please. And the last thing we want to do is go right back into there. So I'm just trying to ever so gently nudge it out. I got to do some more digging. All right, we definitely went on an adventure today.
We are that close. We were all the way back there. You can see my tires right there. And we're almost out. Okay, so this is the last spot that I dug. And that's pretty much it. Out of here, baby. Guys, there's no joke out here. It is like 13 degrees. 13 degrees. Let's push up. We made it, boys. We made it. Sheesh. Let's get the hell out of Dodge. Oh, man. Whew. That was wild. And this is why I just didn't come out in like a regular old sweatshirt and whatnot, because I was like, let me bundle up and make sure that I can get out of here. But hey man, that was a little bit of an exciting moment for you guys. Could laugh at my pain a little bit. But we're back. I'm gonna hit up the restroom and then we're getting out of here.